cool lighting. Welcome everybody, I'm here in Albertsons Safeway, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. I've played all these machines before and I'm going to play this again. I noticed this machine looks crooked, and watch. So the thing is tight all the way, but could be, look, the thing moves. Hot dang, okay, anyway. I'm going to play, I think, the icy glitter one. That looks cool. Let's turn this. I have enough quarters to play all of them, but did I even get? I think it looks like I just got an eraser. I was hoping to get one of these. Oh wait, I wonder if it expands. It's like a cube. I got a cube, but it expands. I don't know. I was gonna play this one, huh? And I got a white ninja. Oh, they're all ninjas. I got that guy right there. Sweet. Next location. I literally left and came back. I forgot to play the other machine. No matter where I go, these are always taped shut for some reason. Oh, I played this machine for Halloween. I need to play for my Santa skate. What the heck is this? And there you have it. Some Halloween creature just walked by. I'm filming this in July 2024. What the heck? That's awesome, man. Peace. Do we have to do something for Ricky tomorrow? Huh?
We want to leave it a decent time.
So we are going to go to Bonner, right? And Taco Dorit, respectively? Okay, good. Well, not... Thank you.
If we get there too, we Taco People won't be open. Right now.
Yeah, they open up at what, 1 o'clock, Montana Standard Time? Pacific Time, though, right?
Look it up.
Okay. I'll look it down. I'm going to make a room tour.
You said what time we went to the old model then?
Do the math.
We can leave it 8.
You did 8?
Yeah, which is 9 Montana time.
Okay, yeah, let's do it 8 then.
Let's go!
Alright.
See you guys tomorrow.
No, 8. 20 early, I think.
How is it? See you guys tomorrow, but I love you.
I love you too.
Pick us up tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Told you, Heidi. It's freezing in here. It's colder. Right, Rick?